Everyone, welcome to Coding Studio Learners. In this video, I tell about how to find the even and odd numbers using if statement. Next video, I tell about how to find the even and odd numbers using for loop. So let's see the logic about it. First of all, we need to consider the initialization statement. So for we need to consider as int means initializing. It is main important to declare the uh, variables or like characters we need to consider uh, after the main. Then after the initialization we need to go to the syntaxes like print, scan, like this. So I'm taking directly as int. I'm declaring as a equals to 6, or else I'm taking, or else we can take as print scanf, or you can at the output statement you can declare the numbers. So I'm taking directly here. Then after need to take the syntax. For if statement syntax, it is a. I'm declared as the initialization has a, then percentage 2, then double equals to 0. When here percentage means initialize go to has a division. When we keep the division, it is considered the quotient. So when remainder is 0, then obviously it is a even number. So after that we need to print. Then it's print as a even number. It's print as even, or else it print as odd. I'm taking as directly. So for logic, we need to consider all statement. It is not compulsory. So I'm taking the all clear statements in program. Ash include stdio.h in main in the I'm taking as a equals to 78, and after that we need to consider as if statement has a percentage 2 double equals to 0, then obviously it is correct. After that we need to take as printf. Then it is as a even number. Percentage d is to 28. So the next step we need to consider as else statement. Else statement is directly print as printf percentage d equals to we need to take as odd. Then percentage b. Let's keep the semicolon. Let's see how it is prints. We need to save the file. I'm already saved it. So I'm compiling and running. Sorry, here I'm taken as a b. It is not a b. Saving file and compiling and running at a time. So let's see here. Here it is showing me like this. So I need to remove it. So after removing this, it's showing me the output. So some of the mistakes have been happened. Here, this printer has the even. So I'm taking here odd number. See what it's print. Here it print as a odd number. So this is the logic behind it to find out the even and odd numbers. So I hope you understand the even and odd numbers using if condition. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. And for more videos you can able to see in my channels. So let's see the more videos in my content. So like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.